natin yun sa sari-sari store. Yeah, that's the one that Kuya like. Ito yung Oral-B.
Girl, I'm looking at a face I don't I see you pulling up to meet me in your car. I know you didn't have to drive, you don't live far from me. I know we're friends, but baby, something's on my mind. So I apologize for taking all this time, but I got to tell you. No, can I pretend I don't love you like I do? Here we are right now, no longer 17. Have we been around? Got some years on us, and a new barrel as a sea. Yeah. So we're here, that I still appear inside your dreamland. Weird that I still appear inside your sleep. And does he know about our time inside your REM cycle? And that I'm on the way when the night goes. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I wanna see your face so bad. Tell me what time to pick you up, 'cause I
Afternoon, guys! Today is Thursday, October 29. And dito kami sa Mount kasi si Sak, nagpipilit na hanapan ko siya ng costume. Actually, nung Monday, nung nag-grocery ako, pumunta na ako ng Kmart, hinahanapan ko sila ni Kuya ng costume para sa trick or treat itong darating na Saturday. Kasi wala akong mahanap kasi yung mga sizes is pang ano na, yung alam nyo, 4 to 6. So, hindi na para sa kanila. So, wala akong mahanap. And si Kuya, pinipilit ko siyang sumama. Ayaw niya kasi ayaw niya mag-costume. Eto kasi, mapilit kasi. Why you want to wear costume, Sak? Because of?
My friends.
Because of his friends. Kasi yung mga kaibigan niya, nag-usap-usap raw sila. Magko-costume daw sila. So, sabi ko, maulan sa Saturday. Kasi nakita na namin sa, ano ba, yung weather para sa Saturday, maulan. So, hindi ko lang kung matutuloy yung trick or treat nila. Pero tingnan pa rin natin. So, pumunta kayo dito sa Spotlight. Dito tayo sa Spotlight. Titingin tayo kung meron siyang costume. And Kuya TJ don't want it, right, Sak?
No.
Ha?
He's just staying home with Dad.
Yeah, ayaw niyang sumama. Sabi ko, ayaw mong bumili ng costume. Sabi niya, hanap na lang daw siya na. What?
We're gonna be at the bay for 1 hour. And
May mga plano sila mga kaibigan nila kung saan sila pupunta. So, titingnan na lang natin kung matutuloy. Kasi, maulan. Sabi ni John, magiging maulan daw. Pero minsan, nag-change naman. So, tara. And si John, sobrang pagod, guys. Kasi busy siya sa fishing and busy siya sa farm. So, kanina pumunta rin ako ng farm, pero hindi ako nag-vlog kasi maulan siya. Okay, let's go. And nag-edit lang ako. And hinintay ko si Sak para pumunta nga dito sa Spotlight. Come on. How about you, Bowers? Ano? Did you bring mushi?
yeah.
Okay, let's go. Yan, dito tayo. Ayan, Spotlight. Dito tayo sa loob, guys. Ayan, tingnan nyo, marami ng pang Christmas decor. Okay, come on. May nakita si Sak na. Who's that, Sak? Sak? Ha? Is that the one you're going? No? May nakita siyang, ano niya, schoolmate. Ayan yung mga costumes dito, guys. Oh. So, naghahanap ang ating, ha? Ano? Adults? Ito daw for adults. That's for mommy. Meron ito si Kuya, oh. Pero bitin na kay Kuya. Nasa na kaya yun? Parang pinamigay ko na nung nag-declutter ako. Ayan si Zach. That's scary.
Scary for me.
It's not scary for you.
I'm a big tough
So,
guy.
papilin lang muna natin si Zach. Meron siyang nakita.
Try it on.
Tingnan niyo, may nakita si Zach.
Just say out of this.
Ha?
can just see out of this.
You can't see?
I can just see out of this.
Just?
Yeah, out of. Dad, buy a basket.
This one?
This is your basket.
Sino ba to? So, pili muna siya. Tingnan natin kung anong mahanap niya. Nahihirapan naman siya maghanap. Kasi wala naman masyado kasi talagang pagpipilian eh.
Dog.
Ha?
Dog.
For dogs. Kay Holly, wala akong masyadong makita. Wrong sack. Wrong, this one. Let me see. You have to adjust. Ah, no, it's too big for you. So, wala
I'm
kami...
taking this.
Ha? Wala nakuha ang costume, pero may nakuha si Sak. Sak, show what you got here.
Look.
Ayan, oh. Boy, watch out, Sak. What? Ay, no, not this one, Baba. Tingnan mo si Sak. Ay, si Holy Skulls. No, si Sak, nakuha niya ipin ng vampire. Come on. So, punta kami ng Big W. Pero punta mo lang ako ng Baker's Delight kasi malapit. Across lang yung Baker's Delight dito. Paulit ako ng tinapay. Kasi malakas kami sa tinapay. Yung mga bata. Ha? Yeah, she's apples. First time dito ni Sak. So, 4 na ganito. Pero pinadivide ko siya sa 2. Lagay na natin siya dito sa plastic. Baba! Tinitingnan niya yung babae. And kumuha ko ng 3 Vegemite scroll. And eto, nakuha natin tong free. Kinuha niya na yung isang card kasi puno na. And eto, meron tayong 2 free sa next time na pagpunta natin dito. Ayan. Okay, let's go to Big W. Okay, let's go. Big W na. Come on here. Dito na kami sa Big W, guys. Sige, hanap ulit siya. Dito yung mga costumes, oh. Yan. Dito. What? Ano naman nakikita mo dyan? That's for the party, Baba. Come here. Let's go. Look for your costume. Come on. Aha, long one. Yeah, next year pa, Baba. So, hinahayaan ko si Sak maghanap ng costume niya. Andun siya sa dulo. Asa na siya? Doon siya. Doon siya, oh. Hayaan ko muna siya dyan. May nahanap siya. Sabi niya pa. Pardon? Show me. Ayun ang gusto niya sana. Oh, last one na lang daw yan. Sabi niya pa, I'm so lucky. This is the last one. Kaso sobrang laki, tiningnan ko. Large kasi siya, oh. Malaki sa kanya, sobrang haba. The best costume? Any. As long as you can find your size. Ang lalaki. Tapos meron naman dito, eto, 3 to 5.
Vampire?
Vampire? Ito, gusto sana ito nisa. Kaso malalaki yung mga nandito, oh. Oh, malalaki siya, large.
Guys, come here.
Guys, nahihirapan ako maghanap para kay Sak. Gusto niya raw yung nakakatakot.
I don't like it.
I don't like. Gusto niya yung mga nakakatakot. Ang mga nakikita niya is mga superheroes. Ha? Ayaw niya yan si Harry Potter, oh. Guys, finally, nahanapan ko na rin si Sak. Dito sa area to, wala kami nahanap kasi sobrang malalaki yung sizes. And yung dito naman, wala masyado akong nahanap. Buti na lang pumunta kami doon sa area yun. Doon. Basta dyan, meron kaming nahalukay. And nahanapan ko na si Sak and si Holly rin. So, abangan nyo na lang sa Halloween. Yung costume nilang dalawa. Ano na sila? Yeah.
Hi guys!
Dito kami sa may mga lollies. Bumili na ako ng lollies para sa Halloween. Si Sak may kinuha siyang harvest. Ano to? Snaps. Ayan. So, kulang ako ng marshmallow. Ito. Ng marshmallow. Kuha tayo nitong dalawa. Come on.
What are you doing there, Mom?
Dito tayo sa Woolies. Kulang ko ng fruits kasi bubos na naman yung fruits namin. Come on. Ay. Ha? It's a spray, yeah. Parang ulan. Go, Holly. Oh, come on. Okay, let's go. Suka tayo ng strawberries. Ito isa. Huh? Free fruit? Okay, you can eat that one. Ayan si Holly, kuha rin siya. What you gonna get, Baba? Banana. Meron ditong ano, oh. Orange. Ayan. Free fruit for kids. So, it's not yucky. It's not yucky. Akin na.
Thank you.
Okay, come on. And nagutom na sila. Come on. Ito nga, kuha ko ng strawberries. Isa. Pili lang ako. Dalawa. Okay. Ayan, kuha rin ako ng beans. Apples. Ito si Granny. Ito yung siguro. Ayan. And Pink Lady. Pili lang tayo. Ito. You're done with your banana? This is something. Did you finish it?
Yeah.
Oh, good. What's that, Sak? Kiwi. We still have kiwi. Oh. Come on. And kuha tayo ng rice bubbles. Huh?
I found them.
So, we're done here sa Woolies. Yung dalawa. Come on. Tayo sa KFC mag. Take away lang kami ng dinner. Order na. Naka-order na ako. And yung kinuha ko ay yung mixed feast. And ayan, waiting lang tayo. And alam nyo ba, naka-line up kami. Naka-park pala kami dun sa labas. Tatawid kami ng kalsada. Kasi kanina ang daming tao na lumalabas. Tapos ang haba ng ayun, drive-thru. Ayun, hanggang dun yan sa kalsada. Ang ingay dito. Bapa, no, come here. So, inintay lang namin yung order. Dito sa loob, kunti lang yung tao. Yung sa drive-thru, grabe, ang haba. Umikot pa nga kami 2 beses kasi hindi kayo makapasok kasi sobrang puno. Maraming pumapasok, maraming lumalabas. So, inintay lang natin yung order. Ito na yung order namin. Ilalagay nyo lang yung drinks dyan. Tagal namin nakatawid kasi busy. And alam nyo, tingnan nyo yung drive-thru guys. So, ang haba niyan, oh. Hanggang doon. So, yeah. Uwi na tayo. Bahay na kami, guys. And si John, sabi ni Kuya, just went to the bedroom, guys. So, sobrang pagod kasi yun. Mag-aalas 7 na. O, Kuya, come on. Yung dalawa, kinain na nila yung kanilang popcorn chicken. Do you want rice, yeah?
No, rice.
You're right.
What's
Okay.
this?
Ito yung laman ng in-order natin, guys. Ayan. Nuggets, tapos
Dad
ito,
said
chicken.
he wants his nuggets for fishing
For fishing na lang?
with barbecue sauce.
Okay. So, dalhin na lang daw ni Jan yung kanya.
Chicken!
Yung nuggets, okay.
Actually, could I have rice,
Rice? You said you don't.
please? And with 1 piece of chicken.
Okay. Sabi niya kanina, ayaw niya mag-rice. Hindi na kinaya ni Jan, matutulog na lang siya. Ito yung isang large na popcorn chicken. Naubos ni Sak, tsaka ni Holly. And iniinit ko yung kanyang rice.
When did I eat this?
On the way home. Iniinit ko lang yung rice. Buti lang may tira pa kami ng rice.
Two.
Ha?
Which one's two?
This is yours.
What? Strawberries. Thank you. Strawberries. Thank you.
So, ito na yung rice ni Kuya.
Okay.
Welcome.
Chicken place.
What kind of chicken, yeah?
Okay.
I have coleslaw here, yeah? Oh, where is it? So, si Kuya kumakain na and ako na-disappoint ako kasi nag-order akong extra na coleslaw pero hindi nila na ilagay sa bag. So, tinawagan ko, sabi, pwede na akong bumalik. Sabi ko, hindi na ako babalik kasi 30 minutes away kaya yun. So, sabi niya, sa next visit na lang. Mabait naman yung nakausap ko kasi bayad siya, guys, oh. Magkano siya? $5. Large pa naman yung kinuha ko. Yes, siya. $5.95. Yeah? Popcorn. Binala ko kasi silang popcorn. Ayan siya. And excited pa naman akong kumain. Kaso wala yung in-order nating coleslaw. Good, yeah? You don't like costume, yeah? You don't like costume for Halloween?
No, it's so weird inside, all scratchy.
Ayaw niya. Nawi-weird doon siya. Ha?
Mine was last year.
Si Zach. Watch for Zachary's costume. Right, Zach? Right?
Wait. I'll give you a hint.
Oh, what's the hint?
It's swamp.
What?
Swamp.
Ano?
That was swamp.
Swamp?
Yeah.
Binibigyan
I'm
kayo?
telling the last word.
Oh, he's not gonna tell you. So, they have to what?
They have to watch the next vlog.
Pardon?
They have to see the next vlog for my costume.
Oh, abangan nyo raw sa next vlog para makita nyo yung costume niya. Yes?
You know Kuya?
Yeah.
Kuya, I got another bottle of Kuya.
Yeah, ayan, bumili sila ng lollies para kay Kuya, oh.
What did you
Ayan. Yung parang siyang, alam mo yung sa atin, yung parang sings, yung parang dummy. Ayan, let me see, Holly. Ayan, oh. Eto kay Holly. Kay Sak, ubos na, ayan, oh. Okay, Baba?
Jack already ate his.
Yes. You have to wash your hands, okay? Kainin ko na lang kung anong meron dito, guys. And barbecue sauce. Si Kuya, naubos niya. Mauubos niya na, oh. I'm vlogging you, yeah. Is it alright? Why you didn't come to me this afternoon, yeah?
I wanted to go to a farm and have a look at a shed.
Pumunta siya, sumama siya sa daddy niya sa farm. Kasi
And we moved the cows into the other paddock
arepatic.
and clean the trough.
Oh, okay, naglinis sila ng... Is that the water one? The round one? And nagpagupit sila. When did you have your haircut, Kuya?
This week Monday.
Monday? Tingnan niya. Do you like it?
Oh, they don't have the one that has a spoon.
No, they don't have the one. The one with the spoon. Kinakain ko to, guys. So, hindi ko siya masyadong gusto. Kaya, sauce siya.
No finger, please. Thank you.
Yun na yung vlog namin for today. Wala namang masyadong ganap. And si Kuya, ang dami yung nakain. How was your tea, yeah? Huh? How was your tea?
Good.
How about
Mine
you?
was too. Mine
Huh?
was good too.
How about you?
My smoothie's good.
Okay.
And my lolly's good. But Mom's popcorn chicken is better. But
Really?
my lolly is so good.
So, nahirapan lang ako maghanap ng costume niya. And how was your costume, Sak? What do you think of your costume?
Good.
Huh?
Good.
Good. Are you
My
gonna-
costume's good. My costume's good. We'll see them on 2 more days.
2 more days.
And it's almost Halloween.
Yes. So, yun, panoorin
We
nyo
have to
yung
have one.
next vlog
We
namin.
have to have 4 more sleep.
2 more sleep. Akala ko, ano na naman sasabihin niya. And, siguro i-edit ko tong vlog tonight or kaya tomorrow morning para mapanood nyo to bukas. Kasi yun ang gagawin ko. Pag may ganap kami ngayong October, November, December, i-edit ko na siya para hindi na siya maging late vlogs. Then, yung mga late vlogs ko, pag wala kaming ganap, yun na lang ang i-edit ko. What's wrong?
I don't know what he was doing.
What are you doing?
I don't know.
So, let's close the vlog, guys. So, yun. So, baka mapanood nyo to bukas kasi para hindi na siya maluma or ma-late vlogs. Okay? Let's close the vlog, guys. Okay? Kuya, close the...
Thank you. Please like, subscribe. If you haven't see you next vlog. Bye.
Good night, guys. Uy. Daddy, susunod ka. What's the-
Bye. Bye, kids. Bye.
Paradise, tell me who you see, 'cause I think